Y'all. It's about this foundation I got on. Y'all, I had it on for 13 hours. 13 hours. 13 hours. Anybody that knows that has, been a butterfly, been a part of the fan, y'all know I have oily skin. I have never had a foundation to last this long on my face. Y'all, I'm just excited. And I had to come tell my family that this face just lasted. It lasted, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, so this is a real impromptu video. It is not going to be that long. But I wanted to come to y'all because I didn't record the look I got on, but I'm going to insert some pictures of what I look like this morning before I went to church. Also, I'm going to post some pictures I took at a business meeting. And then, y'all can see me right now. Just to give some heads up, I'm going to be coming to y'all, talking to y'all about a foundation, y'all. The foundation I got on, that I had on for over 12 hours. Right now, it is, and I'm going to show y'all the time, just so y'all know I ain't BSing y'all. I'm going to show y'all the time. It is 9:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I put this makeup on, y'all, at like 8:30 this morning. And I have been moving. I went to church. I had 2 business meetings. I sat down, watched the movie, took my wig off, just really sat around. And this foundation really stood up. I blotted a little bit here and there. I did refresh it at 6 o'clock, whereas I put a little bit of powder on, and I set it with some setting spray. Again, but y'all, the foundation I used was the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. Now, mind you can tell mine is like still darn near full, like lighting you not, because I don't use it that often. But y'all, and this was a real budget-friendly face, by the way. I used some Black Opal, Wet n Wild, $1 eyeliner pencil, and I think I used BH Cosmetics for my eyes. I think the most expensive thing was Zilla Rock lipstick I got on because I didn't want it to come off. Because to find a $14, $15 foundation that lasted for 13 hours, and then y'all know, and I did not color correct, and everybody knows I have acne scars and, dark spots and all that. We didn't have to color correct or nothing. It didn't break up, and I have used this little sponge all day to just mattify my face and get the extra oils out. And look, there ain't no separation. And I separate all the time in my smile line. Like all up in here in my nose. Look, nothing. Nothing came out, y'all. Nothing. I cannot find any breaks in this foundation. And I'm looking real hard. Y'all, I reviewed a number of foundations. But this one, hands down, I would say lasts more than 12 hours. And y'all know, if you have been a rider with my channel, I got oily skin, and this foundation stood the test of time. Like, yeah, do it look like I really had this foundation on for darn near 13 hours. Like, come through, figured that little part right there. And I got one in the center. But do a look like I just really had this on. Like, I could still go out, you know what I'm saying? Just like fix my lipstick. I was drinking coffee. But I could fix my lipstick and still have a night out on the town. Like, for real. Like, yo, on my soul, I'm just excited. And I just had to come and tell y'all because, like, this, and I think it ranges, it's only about $15. So, it's budget friendly, and I didn't even use that much. I am actually going to do a full review on this. But I just had to tell y'all that this lasted for 13 hours. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm for real. Like, I want y'all all to right now run over to that bell and the subscribe button and be like just clicking and stuff. Make sure y'all click all, not personalized, but all, so that you can see all the lovely content that I'm uploading. I'm going to be reviewing some more hair. I'm coming to you guys with a braiding wig tutorial. I'm going to be coming to you guys with a nice little giveaway. We are really trying to get to 1,000. So, subscribe, keep watching. I'm going to come to you guys with some more reviews on some hair products, some makeup, some budget-friendly brushes, just all kinds of things. So, subscribe. And when I'm not here, follow me on Twitter. I'm actually being more active on Twitter, guys. So make sure you jump on over there to Twitter and follow me. I have links up here at the top. Like if you go to my page, my links, and I'm going to have them down in the hot box as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.